Hi, welcome to Mini SaaS project phase 5 demo. Before getting into the demo, I will walk you through the database implementation. Like we have created 11 tables for this project. The customer table, like for storing customer related information, the data table for storing the data values, the entity table for storing entities, the field table for storing the field values, the product table for storing the product related information, the shipping info for storing all the shipping related information, the tenant table for storing the tenant related information, that is the username and the password of the tenant, the tenant flow for the capturing the workflow in the application, the UI spec for capturing the UI related flows in the application, user table for the end users, the web service for capturing the web services in the application. Let us get into the demo. Clicking here to enter into the website. Like for a new user, I have to enter here, enter some name. I'm entering as Sriram and Sriram. Submitting the values. Just getting back to the login page, re-entering the values. Here we can see the entry for the value that we have entered now, the Sriram and Sriram. The tenant ID is 29. Here now we can see all the options for the tenant, the create object, the read and delete, update object, the create workflow for the capturing the workflow, add product for adding some product into the database, UI customization for capturing all the UI related information, the view website finally for the end users. First, let us create some object. I'm entering some random objects like shopping cart, like submitting the values, like entering like some more attributes like payment, submitting the values. Like if you want, we can enter multiple attributes, or we can get back to the main page. Like in the database side, like here we can see the entity name shopping cart, and we have three entries for that. Like in the field, we have entered three values. That is the card number, the payment. Like for the entry 5, for the entity ID 5, we have two fields over here. Like in the field table, and now we can read the object that we have created now. This one is the shopping cart, like just now we have created. Like if you want, we can delete the table. Like if you click the delete row, it will be deleted from the database. So the values have been deleted now. I'm getting back to the main page. So like for update option to work now, we have to create some more like entries. Like I'm entering the same value now. Now I can read the object. Now if you delete again, the values will be deleted. Getting back to the main page, I can update the values now. That is, I can update the row or enter some values. I can edit, update in the sense I can change the position name, submitting the values, and the values have been changed now. I can enter some values now, like for the attribute, for example 4. The values will be captured in the database. So like whatever I have entered now is captured in the database. Now we can create one or two workflows and see how it works. The create workflow can contain the registration module, login module, view product, shipping, payment, and order of payment. So like the registration and the login module are mandatory, and I can select view product like for entering some 2 or 3 values. If I don't select this particular option, I wouldn't be able to enter values into the database. So I'm selecting some web services, like these are all web services, like apply coupon, apply discount, apply 5% tax, the price coupon, submitting the values. The flow, like whatever that I've entered now has been captured, like in the tenant flow table. So like for the tenant ID 29, I've captured these workflow and the order of payment. So like now I'm customizing the UI layer. Say the header text, welcome to mini SaaS shopping website. Selecting the header image, header font size, the font style, and it can be the font style can be bold, italic, or underline. As of now I am selecting underline. The body font size I'm giving it as 5 and selecting some links and entering the values. The flows have been captured into the database in the UI specs table. So these values have been entered now. Like I'm not entering site values, that's why it's null. So like all the informations have been captured now. Going back to the main page, let us now look into the website. So like whatever customization we have done, like in the UI layer, has been captured here. Say like we have selected these footer link, the underlying text, the image. So now just let us get back to the page and change the image. See, I'm changing the text now. Welcome to shopping, just shopping. Changing the image to card 3, entering some values, changing some random value, increasing the font size and the font style to italic and the font size to say 6, the footer links, entering the values again. The flows has been captured successfully. Now let us look into the website. So the customization has been achieved. The italic letters, the image, the card 3 image. See the card 3 image that we have selected in the UI layer. Like if you want, we can change the image to card 2 or something. And the footer links, like and the font style, like everything has been changed. Now for the new user to log in, he or she has to register into the website. Like entering some random values, like this, like re-entering the values. Now I can get into the website. Like for this to work, I have to enter 2 or 3 products. So I'm entering some product name and the attributes. So whatever values that I have entered now is captured in the product table. So like I've entered some values for the tenant ID 29. So I have entered three values: the computer, laptop, and camera, and prices, the category, and the weight. All the informations have been captured into the database. So now let us look into the website now. Entering the username, like whatever we have registered some time back. Entering the values. Now these values are being captured, and we can calculate payment. We can call this web service the calculate payment and see like what is the payment for this particular product. So like after applying some coupon information and discount, the values have been calculated as 189.525. So now I can change this to price coupon tax. So changing the values. So this time the value has been decreased from 189 to 184.11, just because we have we have increased uh, the discount and the taxes. We have increased the taxes. That's why the values have been decreased. So, so that is how we have integrated our website for the project phase 5. Thank you.